All right, Graham, I have another question here for you.
Oh, this is a lot of questions, dude. Let's go.
Let's get it. Will Blvd SharkBite work on PEX piping?
Okay, I think the question that this viewer is asking is there's these SharkBites right now that have a polybutylene end on them, specifically made for polybutylene. Those will not work on the PEX piping. There should be a PEX side to that coupling that goes on PEX and one side to polybutylene. Polybutylene is a different diameter on the outside than than PEX piping. So if you use a PEX SharkBite on a polybu fitting, it will not work. Eventually it will just blow off, and maybe it will last for a couple days if you're in a real tight pinch. I do not recommend trying it. I've done it before, just to see, but yeah, it will hold temporarily, but it's not designed to grip it properly. You need to make sure you're using the polybutylene side on the polybu piping, the PEX side on the PEX piping. Hope that helps, and hope that's exactly what the viewer was asking. If not, hit me back up in this video's comments, and I will make a new video, just describe a little bit more what you're looking for here. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks, guys.